welcome to the Maya's Family Life channel. So today I was going through nonny videos, the two awesome guys on Facebook. If you haven't seen their videos, then I will put the link in the description below so you can check them out. Yeah, they're really good. So I was going through their videos today and I came across this cheesy pasta bake and I thought, oh, that looks really nice. Thought I want to give that a try. So I'm going to give it a try as a vegan version. So I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Let's check it out. Yeah, like I said, I'm doing my pasta bake dish just slightly different to how they've done theirs. I am adding some plant-based chicken pieces, a few chopped chilies, just give it a bit of a kick, garlic, white pepper, loads of cheese, a few little mixed veg, and then obviously, yeah, the milk and the pasta. So it is going to be slightly different, but anyway, let's give it a go and see how it is. So I don't have cheese slices like they have in the video, so I'm literally just going to go for a block of cheese. Just throw that in. If nothing, it's going to be extra cheesy. Some pasta. I don't have amounts or anything like that, it's literally just guesswork from watching the video. So I think that should be enough. Throw in a few veggies. And I want a few chilies in there. Give it a bit of a kick. A few more, why not? And then the chicken. Again, it is just guesswork really after watching how they did it. So I think that should be right, or maybe a splash more, yeah. So I've broken up the chicken pieces. Now we're going to top with some soya milk. This is the unsweetened one. Thought that would be better than it being too sweet. So they seem to mainly cover the pasta in the milk in the video, so it's knowing how much to put in, but I guess practice makes perfect, eh? So now I'm just going to top with the cheese and then whack it in the oven, see how it goes. Hopefully it'll be nice. Wow. A little bit of cheese there to go with the dinner, eh? Right, so yeah, it looks good. I think it should be tasty. We'll pop it in on gas mark 6. I reckon about 20-25 minutes hopefully should do it, so let's see how it goes. There we go. So here we go. Let's see what this is like. It doesn't look too bad, does it? Actually quite pleased with how this has turned out. It's really cheesy, look at that. I mean, I think I used like 3 blocks of cheese in total. Yeah. There we are. There's the finished cheesy pasta bake, a vegan version with chicken, veg and chilies. Not bad, eh? What do you think? Have you made this? Let us know in the comments below. Hope you've enjoyed it and thank you for watching.